Hello everybody, welcome to Nature Calls. Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to talk about how much it costs for me to replace all four tires on my Model Y. So I got the invoice from Tesla, and I'm going to give you a breakdown on all the costs associated with replacing the tires on your Model Y. Now, before I get into the actual pricing, I do want to let you know this is just a standard dual motor Model Y. It's not the Performance, so I think the Performance has bigger tires, so they're probably going to cost more money. These should be the standard 19-inch tires, so that's what the pricing is going to be for. So with that, the breakdown. First off, the tires themselves. So they are Continental tires, 255 by 45 R19s. 104W XL. It looks like it's 19-inch. 4 of them. Each tire costs $350. Yes, so 350 times 4 gets you to $1,400. So just the rubber alone on the car, $1,400. Now, we probably want to compare this to the amount of miles. I have driven about 42,000 miles before Tesla recommended my tires to be replaced. So that's something important to keep in mind. So around, say 45,000 miles, you probably need to replace your tires. And up front, it's going to cost you at least $1,400, not counting additional charges that we are going to get into. Because, there's labor and alignment and things like that. So continuing down, there's a tire disposal fee, at least here in New Jersey. I'm assuming it's that way for the other 49 states in the union, but who knows? But here it costs you $5 a tire. So there's another $20. So we're at $14.20 now. Next up, you can put the tires on the wheels, but you really do need to align them and get them, all adjusted for the vehicle. So that is an additional $275.20 for the four-wheel alignment check and adjustment. So, with all that, we're starting to really do some serious numbers here. So we're in the $1,600 plus range, but we're not done because this is not being done by some robot. You need a human to actually do this install. And the human side of the equation is going to cost you $475.20 for a person to do this. I did have to go to the Tesla Service Center to have this done. This is not something they do in your driveway. It'd be really cool if they did, because for me, it's a good hour drive or so all the way out to the Tesla Service Center, and then another hour drive back. So it would be nice to save that time, and if it's something they could do here. But I understand they probably don't want to bring all the alignment machines and everything involved with putting tires on a car to your home. It's probably not really practical. But that is something to keep in mind. The grand total after taxes and everything else was $2,019.43. So we'll call it 2020. It cost you $2,020 to put new tires on a Model Y. Now, that's pretty expensive. I think a lot of people would say that's pretty expensive. Personally, for me, it's not bad. Honestly, I've saved about $6,000 alone just in gas because I'm paying basically nothing to charge the car here at home because of my Tesla solar roof in front of me here. So that's doing an excellent job. So the car essentially cost me, hasn't really cost me anything up until this point. This is the biggest expense by far, and it's gone 42,000 miles before needing that $2,020 expense. Other than that, we've changed the windshield washer fluid a couple times because it's ran out. So we've gone through two maybe 3 gallons of windshield washer fluid. Not a lot. And other than that, no expenses at all. So we're probably at like $2,080, say. You know, those are some really expensive bottles of windshield washer fluid. That's the amount of money that's gone into this vehicle. Everything else, including actually charging it and driving it, has been essentially free. You know, maybe a couple dollars here and there, but drastically cheaper than what I would have spent for a similar class vehicle in gas. You know, if I had a nice BMW or an Audi or something in gas, I'd be paying a lot more money and probably a similar price for tires. You know, thinking about it, they're probably a little bit cheaper because, you know, the Model Y is a heavy vehicle, so you're going to need bigger, thicker tires to take all of that weight, all that battery weight. But still, you know, you're probably going to spend over $1,000 on BMW or Audi tires for like a performance, you know, for a pretty quick crossover SUV vehicle in those brands. So overall, I am happy, but I wanted to share this information with you so that if you're looking to buy a Model Y or another Tesla vehicle, just keep that in mind, that the tires are probably going to be a bit pricey. I'm waiting, you know, I got a couple, probably like 20,000 more miles to go on my Model 3 over there in the garage before I have to replace those tires. But when I do, I'll make a video about it, because I've been told that it's actually a little bit cheaper to replace the tires on the Model 3 than it is the Model Y. So we will find out, and I will share that with you. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll let you know if anything else pops up that, you know, costs me, or it's just like a surprise that you don't know of, or something major breaks. I will let you guys know in future videos, so please like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching Nature Calls, and as always, have an excellent day.